Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or confusions, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have the World, Tower in reverse, and Five of Pentacles. So in your situation, guys, Sagittarius, in your personal life or in your career situation, there are some changes happening, some inevitable changes, and you have no control whatever it is. So maybe some projects, whatever hard work and efforts you are putting in, it may get delayed or suspended. So some kind of changes that you have no power to change. You are trying hard, you are trying your best, but you don't make an impact in your situation. So things are not going up to your expectation, guys. So that may be the reason you feel stressed or sad. And I also see that you have love towards this person and a level of understanding. But still there are a lot of arguments and fights happening between you both. So some kind of misunderstandings are there in your situation today, guys, in your relationship, and you're working hard, trying your best, but the way things are going, maybe this person is making some decisions that may hurt you, that may make you really anxious, but you have no control and you are trying your best, but you are you are unable to do anything, guys. Sagittarius, it may be in your work or it may be in your relationship, guys, this energy. But Sagittarius, you need not lose hope. I also see that in certain things you are going to be really successful, guys. Things are going to come around. There will be some kind of an understanding coming between you both. Maybe because of your acceptance. If you accept your situation, you are going to see things in a different way, in a different perspective, guys. So that may be the energy here. So you need to change the way you see your situation, guys. Maybe for some of you, I see a move away from the place you live in. So you are moving away, maybe taking a break from this love to see some changes, or it may be for work. So some kind of move or change is coming in your life today, guys, Sagittarius. And I also see that you are seeing success in few things. Maybe in your work you are quite successful, you are landing some lucrative deals or projects, or it may be in this love. You may try to resolve things and things may take a positive turn. Maybe you have come to an understanding finally, guys, Sagittarius. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Thanks again, guys, for watching this video. Stay tuned for that pick a card love reading. For your love reading, guys, we have 3 cards here and 3 crystals, and it is going to be like a pick a card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, choose with these crystals or the cards, whatever comes to you first. So that card may answer your questions or clear your doubts, guys. So I will start the reading with this card. This is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence, guys. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. So, for those who chose this card, the first card, guys, and this crystal, let's see what it is. We have Archangel Rahul. So it is an angel card here, guys. It just means that angels are here guiding us today. And maybe in your life today, for those who chose this card, you feel that you have been unfairly treated. Someone has wronged you in some ways, and it is really difficult for you to maintain that harmony and balance. So, however, you are trying to console yourself, let go of all that hurt. You feel really hurt, and you're so much emotionally disturbed because of the way they treated you, guys. And maybe for some of you, you may also be involved in some kind of a lawsuit. So, some legal matters are also happening today in your life. But you need not worry, guys. This angel card is a guidance for y'all. So, and the guidance is clarity of thought, and you will feel harmony in your self, guys. You will have that balanced nature. You will again have that. Maybe today you are quite emotional, maybe you are crying, you are very much disturbed, but all that is going to resolve for you all, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and this angel card is the guidance for you all. So all your emotional disturbances, and maybe if there is some kind of a lawsuit, or if you want clarity of thought, that is what is happening today in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So what is the second card and the second crystal? For those who chose this second crystal and this card, so let's see what it is. We have Celestite. So this crystal spirit's guidance for us today is that, guys, maybe angels or that higher power or God, whatever we call it, that is helping us by whispering to us, showing us signs through people. It may be strangers or someone you barely know. So you are facing some specific challenges in your relationship, guys, and these angels are dedicated to be your friend, healer, and will do anything they can to connect you to people with gifts for you. So they are going to help you open your eyes, see the truth, and guide you in the right way, guys. So you may have people telling you some words, and that may point you, or that may give you clarity in certain things, but you need to be very attentive, guys, because angels are here guiding you. And with a simple prayer, with our honest intention to listen to them, we can invoke their blessings today, the angels' blessings in your situation. So if you are facing any challenges in your relationship, this angel spirit is guiding you to come out of that difficulty, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this second card. So let's see what is the third card. For those who chose this crystal and this card, we have chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in our relationship today, nothing is more important than those simpler day-to-day activities that we do together, guys. So sometimes Not everything has to be big. We may not be achieving some big things today. And we need to understand that relationships and friendships often go through lulls, and everyday tasks are the ones that is going to create a center of awareness, and that is what is perfect for the time right now. So you need to uh, what to say, don't go for huge decisions or big things right now. You just have to go for the simpler, smaller things like holding hands, reading a book together, sharing a meal, just being with this other person, spending time with them. So that is going to work in a magical way in this relationship. And just being present is going to change the way things are between you both, guys. So everything is going all right. You need to understand that, and just spending time with them is going to resolve many difficulties in this relationship for you guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.